though.
There it is again.
24-hour.
Oh, no, that's something different.
No,
That's a jungle.
wait, I do black and white.
Yeah, that one.
That's a
It's kind of
blue.
blue.
Wait, is that blue and white?
You getting the
So
squirrel?
they're going super low key today. They're plastic.
That's a blue jay.
They're plastic.
Oh no, it's not a blue jay.
But if you rinse them when you're done, there's like
Where's the blue jay? I see a blue jay.
Wait, what?
I'm there somewhere, but I can't see it.
Oh, keep your hands off the glass.
That's what I was trying to sort out.
Oh,
woodpecker.
redheaded woodpecker. Oh, he just flew away on the
Woodpecker.
side.
It's Woody Woodpecker.
It's Woody Woodpecker.
I think we gotta, when they fly in, I know, like I pointed at him and maybe we scared him a little bit.
Those little thieves.
Hey, dude,
Dad, those little thieves.
I just saw red orange super guy.
But to be
Kind of weird.
Those little thieves.
Okay, I see.
not garbage.
I just saw red
Yo, there's a
cardinal
pond.
there. I see red cardinal.
I see the redheaded woodpecker. He's flying. He's way up in the tree over there.
There's milk,
Yeah.
lemonade.
You guys like
It's
nature.
a
It's
red
just...
pepper.
I think most of that tree is dead. That's probably.
Oh, there's another dog. How many dogs do I find today? Oh, yeah.
had to limit them for grant.
That's a...
Ooh, what just flew up on the other side? There's a tiny little bird on the other side of the feeder.
Yes, I mean,
They like it.
I don't know what he was.
they do like them. Did you make them? No. Oh, wait, you did? Or no?
It's a sparrow. Dad, what is that? A raven?
The big one?
Yeah.
Or are you talking about in the tree right there?
Yeah, the black one.
The big blackbirds are probably crows.
Do you see it?
Oh yeah. Or that could be one of those Oriole things. I don't know what they're just blackbirds. I don't know.
Hey, you eat some lettuce, they might let you have a cookie.
You know I hate lettuce.
Oh,
We just learned that.
I know, I heard that. That's why I said that.
You mean you don't like any salad you've ever had?
Yeah, I don't like
No,
salad.
Cole doesn't eat salad. Grant does.
I hate salad.
Yeah, dogs on the floor.
Thor?
You don't know what you hate and what you don't hate.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Oh, whoa. Dad, I found Oreo.
That's a cowbird.
That's cowbird.
Wait, I just saw
It's for dessert, too. So
I call them cowbirds. They're the ones that sit,
much open over there.
eat
Okay.
Nice.
on the back